Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TT Logic, and in this video we are going to solve a nice algebraic problem. And here we have to solve a beautiful problem which is 27 the power of x plus 64 the power of x over 48 the power of x plus 36 the power of x and is equal to 193 or 144. And here is we find the value of x. So here it is. First of all, we can be written as this 27 can be written as 3 cube, 3 the power of 3, and 3 multiplied 3 times is equal to 27, and whole the power of this x, and then plus this 64 can be written as 4 the power of 3 and whole the power of x, and then over this 48 can be written as 3 times and 4 square and whole the power of x, and then plus this 36 can be written as 3 square and then times 4 and whole the power of x, and is equal to 193 over 144. And now here it is, we solve this question with the help of a nice exponential law, which is a the power of m and whole the power of n and is equal to a the power of n and whole the power of m. So here we solve this as is this law, and now this 3 the power of this x, we use this x power and whole the power of this 3, and plus this 4 the power of x and whole the power of 3, and then over this 3 the power of x and times this 4 square the power of this 4 square the power of x, and here we use this 4 x the power of this 2, and plus this 3 square we use as it is 3 the power of x and whole the power of 2, and then times this 4x, and is equal to 193 over 144. So we let here we let the value of 3x, 3 the power of x. We use 3 the power of x the value of this a, and now we use 4 the power of x the value of b, and so here we substitute these values, and now this 3x the value of a and can be written as a cube, and plus this 4x the value of b and this b cube, and then over this 3x is a and times 4x is b square, and plus this 4x is b and times this 3x is a and the power of 2, and now here we can be written as this a the power of 3 plus b the power of 3 can be written as 193 over 144, and this a the power of 3 plus b the power of 3 can be written as a plus b bracket and a square minus ab minus b square, and then over this AB bracket, and this A is, and plus this B. And now here this AB and this AB common, so here we cancelled out, and now this we can be written as this equation is separate. So this A square over AB and minus AB over AB, and then plus B square over AB, and is equal to 193 over 144. And here this AB and this AB is same as, so cancelled out, and here and this A cancelled out, here this one A, and we remaining this one A over B, so is equal to A over B, and then minus this 1 and plus this 2B cancelled out this 1B, and remaining is B over A, and is equal to 193 over 144. And now here and this A over B and this plus B over A, and is equal to 193 over 144, and this minus 1 is moved, other side is plus 1. And now A over B plus B over A, and is equal to, and here we take LCM, this 193 over 144 plus 1, and this 144 is 144, and 144 is 144, and 193 is 193, and plus 144 ones are 144, and is equal to 337 over 144. And here we take this 337 over 144, and now here we let A over B the value of M, and this B over A the value of 1 over M. And so we substitute these values is, and this A over B the value of M, so we put them M, and plus this B over M the value of 1 over M, and we substitute this 1 over M, and is equal to 337 over 144. And now here again we take LCM this M plus 1 over M, and so we take LCM is this M and M square, and plus M 1 and 1 ones are 1, and is equal to 337 over 144. And now here we take cross multiplication here, so we multiply with them and we multiply with them. And now this 144 is M square, 144 M square, and plus this 144 ones are 144, and is equal to 337 is M, 337 M. So here this 144 M square and this 337 M is moved, here is minus 337 M, and then plus this 144, and is equal to 0. And now this 144 m square and minus this 337 m can be written as 256 m and minus 81 m, and then plus this 144 and is equal to 0. And now here we take common in this 16 m out of bracket, and this 16 divided by 144 and is equal to 9, and m divided by m square is m, and minus this 16 divided by 256 and is equal to 16, and m is cancelled out. And now here minus, and now here we take common is 9 and out of bracket, and this 9 divided by 81 is 9m, and plus this 9 divided by 144 is 16 and is equal to 0. And so this 9m minus 16 and this 9m and this minus plus the minus, and this 9m minus 16 and this 9m minus 16 is common, so we can be written as 9m minus 16 and this 16m minus this 9 and is equal to 0. And now here we take 9m minus 16 and is equal to 0, and this 16m minus 9 is equal to 0. And so this 9m is equal to this minus 16 is moved, other hand side is 16, and this m is here and is equal to this 16 over this 9. And now here it is a first case. First case. So here is 16m is equal to, and this minus 9 is moved, other hand side is 9, and now this m is here and is equal to this 9 over 16, and now here it is the case of second. And now here we solve first case is m is equal to 16 over 9. And now here we recall the value of m, and here it is m, the value of is m, the value of is a over b. And now here we put them, m the value of a over b and is equal to 16 over 9. And now here again we recall the value of a and b, and here value of a and b is this: a the value of 3x and b the value of this 4x. So here we put them the value of this. A the value of 3x, 3 the power of x, and b the value of 4 the power of x. And so here we put them. A is 3 the power of x over b the value is 4 the power of x and is equal to 16 over 9. And now 3 over 4 and whole the power of this x and is equal to this 16 can be written as 4 square over, and this 9 can be written as 3 square, and here 3 over 4 and whole the power of x and is equal to this 4 over 3 and whole the power of 2. And now here it is same basis here, so we can use these exponents, and x is equal to 2 and here the value of x. And now here in the second case is m is equal to 9 over 16, and so here we put the m is equal to 9 over 16, and now we recall is m the value of is a over b, and so here we put them m the value of a over b and is equal to 9 over 16, and here we again recall the value of a and b, and a and b, the value of a is the value of 3 the power of x and b the value of 4 the power of x. So here we put them a the value of 3 the power of x over b the value of 4 the power of x and is equal to this 9 can be written as 3 square over this 16 can be written as 4 square, and now this 3 over 4 and whole the power of x and is equal to this 3 over 4 and whole the power of 2, and so here same basis here and we use these exponents. So x is equal to 2, here the value of x. And thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.